Hello and welcome to this training course on using secure envelopes via Microsoft Outlook with secure exchanges. Today we're going to show you how to use secure envelopes to retrieve confidential information from recipients who don't use secure exchanges. In this video, we'll cover both the process on the sender side, where you'll learn how to set up and send a secure envelope, and on the recipient side, where we'll explain how your contacts can reply and deposit sensitive information securely, without the need for a secure exchanges license. Start by opening your Outlook and composing a new message. In the Outlook ribbon, you'll find the Secure Exchanges section, where you can access our secure envelope options. Secure Exchanges offers 3 types of envelope to suit different needs. Standard envelope. This envelope is ideal for retrieving sensitive information such as social security numbers, confidential documents, contracts, or other sensitive files. Credit card envelope, designed specifically to securely collect credit card numbers. The envelope also automatically verifies the validity of card numbers. Advanced envelope, available only with our Pro license, this envelope offers increased personalization for tighter control over incoming documents and enhanced security. To set up an advanced envelope, insert it into your email. To do this, select the language of your correspondence and click on the advanced envelope icon. The envelope you select will be inserted where your cursor is in your message. When you click on Send, an interaction window will appear with several options. If you don't want the recipient to be able to write text, check this box. This will make it compulsory for the recipient to deposit documents. You can restrict the type of files you wish to receive, images, documents, videos, etc. If you need specific file types, enter the extensions in a dedicated field, separated by commas, e.g. .pdf, .jpg, .mp4. To add an extra layer of protection, you can require the recipient to enter an SMS code sent to your telephone number. This code will be needed to access the envelope and submit the documents. Once all the options have been selected, click on Send, and the envelope will be automatically configured with the security settings you have chosen, guaranteeing total control over the information you receive. To use a standard envelope or a credit card envelope, simply choose the language of your correspondence and click on the icon representing the envelope you wish to send. Again, the envelope you select will be inserted where your cursor is in the message. Once the envelope has been inserted, simply click on Send. Your message, with the secure envelope, will be sent encrypted and securely. By using these envelopes, you protect your exchanges and simplify the retrieval of sensitive information, while ensuring maximum security for you and your recipients. What the recipient sees. When your recipient receives the email, they will see a button for Confidential Document Deposit. By clicking on it, they will be redirected to a secure space to deposit their files. Document Deposit. The recipient can drag and drop their files, or click on Attach to add documents from their device. File size. The size of uploaded files depends on the limit authorized by your license. Private message. A field is available for adding a message to accompany the documents. 5. Secure upload by recipient. Once the files have been added and the message written, the recipient clicks on Send, and the documents are transmitted securely. What the sender receives. As the sender, you will receive an email notification that documents have been deposited in the envelope. Access to documents. Click on Read Message to view or download confidential documents. Once the message has been viewed, the documents will be automatically destroyed after the default 14-day expiry date, or when the number of openings of 3 times has been reached. Secure Exchanges lets you manage the security of your sensitive information simply and effectively. It couldn't be simpler. Secure Exchanges is cybersecurity made easy for everyone. Check out our other videos to learn more.